Hello and good morning, everyone out there in New Haven. This is Mr. New Haven, and I am reporting to you for On Scene Media, New Haven County. And this is your Tuesday Drive Safe Traffic Report, brought to you by the law offices of Attorney Irving J. Pinsky. And I am outside of the on-ramp on Sawmill Road. It's between Greta Street and Malloy Road on Sawmill Road. School's canceled. A lot of jobs are canceled. The snow is still coming down. 8:30 in the morning, as you can see. It's expected to turn over into rain. Please check out Jordan's weather report for that one. Outside of that, it looks like it's pretty much snowy New England weather. Please be careful. It's slushy. If you don't have to go outside of the house, please don't. And please watch out for pedestrians walking also, because the sidewalks, although the streets are plowed, be careful of them people on the side of the road. Your Drive Safe Traffic Report, Mr. New Haven. Peace out.